Muslim, any human being here in America or in Pakistan or in Senegal, don't say this is my relative or this. No, they are the servant of Allah. You do for Allah, Allah do for you. Because what you need, you can't do it for yourself. So do for the sake of Allah. Allah do for you what you cannot do for yourself today. And tomorrow, you will need it more tomorrow. You will need it more tomorrow because this money in this life, you can manage to have it. But after life, you cannot manage to have anything that you don't send to that. So may Allah accept from everybody. May Allah accept our ziyarah. May Allah bless our jama'ah. May Allah increase our love for Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah increase our love for our sheikhs. May Allah increase our love for each other. May Allah bless us. May Allah increase our iman, increase our mahabba fi Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yazdadu bi ziyadil anfasi. Also,